back to my channel. In this video I'll be recreating 4 Jamaican YouTubers intro. So I know they're not perfect and all that, but I try. I never see nobody, no YouTubers do it yet, so I'll be the first to recreate their intro. I don't know, but I not see nobody do it yet. So yes, so I'll be recreating 4 Jamaican YouTubers. I'll be recreating King and Shay, basically just King. Gio and Ken, so just Gio. And Rolley, Too Easy, and the Razablade. So I'll be recreating 4 Jamaican YouTubers intro. Yes, so hope you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Make sure to leave a comment in the comment section. Yes, wanna flavor it. Yes, so stay tuned.
Guys, welcome back. You guys, Shay, what I do? I put she washed clothes for me yesterday, but she put them online this morning, because the line went full up. So anyway, guys, make a prank Shay right now. You see me? I say, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. Okay, guys. So what we're gonna do now, guys? Make a prank Shay. Yeah, make a prank Shay, guys. Okay. And make sure, guys, go subscribe to Wish channel, because Wish will upload on the channel today, guys. So the name of our channel is Baby Wish. I mean, she alone go in the video them. Me and Wish alone go in the video them. So the link to Wish channel, guys, are gonna be down below in the description, guys. So make sure you go over there and go follow Baby Wish. Baby Wish. Yeah. Baby Wish. The link will be down below in the description for Baby Wish channel, guys, and make sure you go follow the real Lewis family, guys. The link will be down below in the description, guys. So go over there and follow. Make you know say King and Shay singing, guys. Remember, guys, Baby Wish.
Going on, guys? It's your boy King, and I'm back with another epic prank. So today, guys, I will be pranking Sashay, guys. So today we gonna prank Sashay. Tell Sashay say we want a higher class girl, cause she not going good, guys. So guys, make sure you follow Baby Wish channel, guys. The link will be in the description down below, guys. So, and again, guys, make sure you subscribe to the real Lewis family, guys. The link will be in the description, guys. Yes, guys. So
what's up, everybody? You don't know your boy Razablade, and I am back with another video. This video, as you know, we are react to Jamaican YouTubers. This edition is the breakup edition, so I'm gonna react to the YouTuber them who do the breakup prank. You see me I say? Always remember if you leave a like on the video, cause you don't know, every like counts, every like helps. You know the thing go. So I'm not gonna delay this video, because when you come over here, you guys come over here for quality.
Virgin Squad. What's up, everybody? You don't know, it's a boy Razablade, and I am back with another video. As you know, we are react to Jamaica YouTubers breakup edition. Yes, so always remember to leave a likes, cause every likes counts. Yeah, so stay tuned. Yes, so you know, come here for waste time. Anytime you come by here, you know, so quality, you come over your stuff back.
Cheap! Yo, Sonic! Everybody panic. Trishna reach home, mate. I don't know. They're picking on me! Like before watching, because that's the golden rule, yeah? Turn on the post notification bell once you're new. I'm really so easy. Share because you care, because you need to share and make sure to like some other people. So like before watching. Please, okay? Yeah. So may I cook some food, because dinner it's a lot.
Chips. Yo, Sonic. Everybody panic. So Trish not reach home from work yet, and they're picking on me. So guys, like before watching, because that's the golden rule, yeah? And they're picking on me.
What's good, everybody? What's good, everybody? What's good, everybody? What's good, everybody? So, I don't want to see the title. I don't know what I could go on today. I don't know what I could go on today. So, today I'm going to flirt, like, dip on a FaceTime with my girl, while the next girl in the background probably a flirt with me or something like that. You see me? So, it's going to be epic. It's going to be epic, and I have somebody with me today. And I must wonder who I'm going to do it with. I have my girl, Tavian. Make sure to go over and subscribe to her channel. She already do it. Hi guys!
So what's good, everybody? 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 What's good? So I don't know what I'm going to go on today. I know I see the title, so I don't know what I'm going to go on today. So I go FaceTime girl while one girl the next to me. So I don't know what I'm going to go on. Yeah. So